AliExpress, you've heard of it, right? If not, let me introduce you to one of the largest online marketplaces in the world. It's this massive online marketplace where you can find almost anything, seriously anything. From electronics to fashion, home decor to beauty products, the variety is endless. From quirky gadgets to stylish clothes and even unique handmade items, AliExpress has it all. AliExpress connects buyers like you and me with sellers all over the world. Whether you're in New York or New Delhi, you can access products from different countries with just a few clicks. Think of it like a giant online flea market, but with even better deals. The prices are often unbeatable, and there are frequent sales and discounts. Now here's a mind-blowing stat. AliExpress boasts a whopping 150 million active users. That's more than the entire population of Russia. Imagine the scale and reach of this platform. It's no wonder AliExpress has become a global phenomenon. People from all walks of life, from different corners of the globe, are shopping on AliExpress every day. It's a testament to the platform's reliability and appeal. Imagine this, you're scrolling through AliExpress, adding tons of awesome stuff to your cart. You find that perfect gadget, the trendy outfit, and even some quirky home decor items. Your cart is filling up with all these amazing finds, and you're excited about the great deals you're getting. But then chaos strikes. Your browser crashes and you lose everything. All those carefully selected items gone in an instant. It's like a nightmare for any online shopper. You try to refresh the page, but it's too late. The frustration builds up as you realize you'll have to start all over again. Talk about a digital meltdown. The stress of losing your cart can be overwhelming, especially if you spent hours curating it. You might even feel like giving up on the whole shopping spree. That's where CSV files come to the rescue. They act like a safety net for your shopping experience, ensuring that all your hard work doesn't go to waste. CSV stands for comma-separated values, but don't let the tech jargon scare you. It's a straightforward and user-friendly format that anyone can use. It's basically a simple file format that stores data in an organized way. Think of it as a digital list that keeps track of all your items neatly. By downloading a CSV file of your AliExpress cart, you create a backup of all the items you love. This way, even if your browser crashes, you can easily restore your cart without any hassle. No more lost treasures, just pure shopping bliss. You can shop with peace of mind knowing that your cart is safe and sound. So next time you're on a shopping spree, remember to download that CSV file and keep your cart secure. Ready to unlock the power of CSV files? Here's your easy-to-follow guide. Step 1. Log into your AliExpress account and head to your shopping cart. Step 2. Look for the Download CSV button. It's usually located near the top or bottom of the page. Step 3. Click the button and voila! Your CSV file will start downloading automatically. See? That wasn't so hard, was it? Now you're a CSV downloading pro. Section 4. Unleashing the power of your AliExpress CSV data. You've got your CSV file, but what's next? This file is a treasure trove of information waiting to be unlocked. Well, the possibilities are endless. Imagine the power at your fingertips. First off, you can use your CSV file to restore your cart if disaster strikes. Remember that browser crash? It's no longer a nightmare. Simply upload the file and you're back in business. But wait, there's more. This file can do so much more than just save your cart. You can also use your CSV data to track your spending habits, compare prices across different sellers, and find the best deals. Additionally, you can create wish lists for different occasions, ensuring you never miss out on items you've been eyeing. Talk about taking your AliExpress game to the next level. With these tools, you can shop smarter, save money, and stay organized. Set up alerts for price drops, track your order history, and even analyze trends to predict future sales. The power is in your hands. So dive into your AliExpress CSV data and unleash its full potential. Happy shopping. Section 5, conclusion. Your AliExpress adventure awaits. So there you have it, the world of AliExpress CSV files demystified. Now you can shop with confidence knowing that your precious cart items are safe and sound. Go forth and explore the vast digital marketplace of AliExpress, armed with your newfound CSV knowledge. Happy shopping.